Good morning students. Today we learn how to make charts on Excel sheets. A chart is a graphical representation of data, and in Excel we can make charts easily on our spreadsheets. So Excel provides different types of charts. First is a column chart. It uses the vertical bars to represent the data. Then we have line chart. These charts are ideal for showing the trends, and the data points are connected with lines, makes it easy to see whether values are increasing or decreasing over time. Then we have a pie chart. These charts makes it easy to compare proportions, and each value is shown as a slice of the pie. Then we have bar charts. These charts work just like column charts, but they use horizontal bars instead of the vertical bars. Then we have a area chart. These charts are similar to line charts except that the areas under the lines are filled. Then we have a surface chart. These charts allow you to display data across a 3D landscape, and these charts are only used when we have a large data sets. Now we learn how to create the charts on a Excel. First of all, create the cells on which you want to make a chart, including the column titles and the row labels. Now step 2, go to the insert tab and click on chart type. A drop down list will appear which shows the various thumbnail forms. Now step 3, choose the chart type from the drop down list and click on the chart which you want to insert in your worksheet. Now see, a line chart will appear on your work area. Now chart tools. Once a chart is selected, a set of chart tools containing two tabs, design and format, will appear on the ribbon. You can modify your chart settings by using these two tabs, design and format. When you click on the plus sign, the chart elements will be appear. You can add, change or remove chart elements like chart titles, legends, data labels, etc. Chart styles allow you to modify a style and a color scheme of the chart, and chart filter allow you to show or hide data in the chart. Now chart is composed of various elements. First, the chart or the plot area, chart title, legend, axis and axis titles, grid lines, etc. And to view these elements, click on the chart element button. Click on the chart and then click on chart element button. A list of the chart element will appear. See, it shows in a figure. These two options are also available in chart tools design tab and add chart element icon on the ribbon. Now chart elements, the chart elements will have a more option, and from this more option you will get the formatting format axis. Here you can format your axis, format your text options, etc. Now next is chart style. Chart styles will show you a few options of pre-built styles within Excel. You can use these pre-built styles and you can change the style. You can always go back into the filter option to change your chart back or to a new look. Now let's do practically this. Now open an Excel sheet. And on Excel sheet, first of all we make a table. Suppose we have taken a table. My pocket money. We are inserting some data into a Excel sheet, a spreadsheet. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday I have written here. Now drinks, snacks, values of the drinks 10, 20, 15, 16 and then 18. Same way takes another row, snacks, ten, 20, 25, 15, 16. Now let's draw a chart. First of all, select the data cells on which we have taken one more row, gift 100, 300, 770, 16, 160 and 150. Now select the area which you want to use while inserting a chart. Select the data cells on which you want to make a chart, including the column title and the row label. We highlight this by using a yellow color. Now select this along with the row labels and the column titles. Now go to the insert tab, step 2, insert, and from here you can from here you can select the chart you want to insert. Chart, other charts, it shows the different types of charts. Here see, it shows column, line, pie, bar, area. These are all the types of the chart. We can choose any one. Suppose we have select the column, you can give a column chart like this. It's the chart area. By clicking on this sign you can get the chart elements. Now see the another one. Again go to the insert, select on line. From here you can select a line chart. Same way you can select a pie chart. This is a pie chart. And from here you can select any bar chart. This is a bar chart. Then we have a area chart. You can select area chart from here. And then we have a scatter chart. Scatter chart is like this. And then we have other charts. It shows the different chart styles. Now go to the line chart and draw a chart. Click on the chart you want to insert. A chart will appear on your work area. Now you can resize it. Now chart tools. When you select a chart, once your chart is selected, you can click on the chart tools, and in chart tools we have two buttons, design and format. You can change your chart type, save as a template, switch to rows and columns, select the data, particular data you want to select. Then we have a chart styles. Different chart styles we have. You can choose the different styles from here. See the chart styles. Now chart, row, switch row and column. In this way you can switch your rows or columns. You can select data, which data you want to select. You can select data from here. Now chart types, different chart types will be appear. which chart you want to select, you can select from here also. You can change the charts type also. Now the layout, you can change the layout of a program of a chart also. These are the chart elements: chart title, axis title, legends, data labels, data table. You can insert picture, shape, etc. in your chart, text box also in your chart. These are the chart elements: chart area, chart title, chart axis title, legend, data tables. These are data labels, data tables, axis, grid lines, plot area. These are the chart elements. Now chart, you can format your chart by clicking on the format. These are the shape styles, word art styles. You can fill color in your chart also, by clicking on shape fill. Suppose we have taken a yellow color, like this you can select color also, fill color also in your chart. You can shape, take the outline shape also. Shape, you can give shape effects also. A drop down menu will appear. You can choose different shapes from here of a chart. These are the chart area is also appear here in your format tab. From here you can click on the chart area, horizontal axis, legend, plot area, vertical axis, etc. So this is the way we can insert a chart into a Excel sheet. Thank you.